YouTube, good morning. I'm back with another video. Today I will be just on Monkey vlogging. Just seeing how different people react on Monkey. Um, I'm back, guys. Back in building. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video out because we trying to go viral. I'm the only one you're trying to save. No, for real.
Twitch. It's so bad. Who is it? Should we go on Twitch now and find her?
Yeah, these people be trolling too much on this app. Yeah, I think when they see me recording, they want to get off. So like, I'm not really sure.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Head to my YouTube. Say hey to YouTube. For sure. This for YouTube, y'all. I guess different people just now waking up this morning, and they ain't really too active today. But this for YouTube. It seemed like everybody just really not too active today. I guess everybody's still laying down, so ain't really no trolling going on.
Hey.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
What you doing?
On YouTube.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Where you from?
Alabama.
You got a boyfriend?
Yep.
Damn, he's lucky.
For sure.
What are you wearing now?
For sure. Yeah, that was a weirdo. What the freak? Yeah, a lot of these people think I'm recording, but I'm really just on YouTube. What the freak?
Hello.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Doing YouTube, Mikey. He don't go too quick. Next. I don't know what y'all been told, but your man know. Oh, shit.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Why you just got the camera right there?
YouTube.
That's good.
Yeah, why he looking like that? Freak is you geeking for? YouTube, that was a freaking weirdo. Like, what the hell?
My Motorola. Can I kiss you?
This is a weirdo. Y'all see this for YouTube? YouTube, this is a freaking weirdo. Like, look at him. Is he cool? You saying what? What? What the? Do y'all hear these people? Like, YouTube, this for YouTube. You're going on YouTube. YouTube just heard you say that. Who is this weird person just sitting there and just holding the phone? Yo, rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
Rate me 1 through 10. Thank you.
They need to be open and pasted in. You will have a new application.
What's going?
Yo, rate me 1 through 10.
Let me get fuck your face.
Yeah, this is true.
He just don't know. What up? Yo,
Yo, rate me 1 through 10.
give me a tab, man.
Thank you.
Yo.
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 Yo, hello.
Yo.
Hold on. Hi.
Rate me 1 through 10.
Oh, I think everybody's beautiful, so I give you a 9. I can give you a 10, but you're a 9.
Thank you.
This video made from. Wait, I want to.
Yeah, what the freak? Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share my video out. Give me the 200 subscribers. Peace.
Got it a minute, this how it is. I was down, ain't had nobody, I did it, that's my big. I need forgiveness for things that I did. I'm thank God that he blessed me with all of my